So after countless delays, we are finally able to make good on that promise. So welcome back to Merriman Square Station on the Cross Harbor Railway, aka Crossco. We are so happy to have you. And I now declare this station open.
Metro, which was built in 2014. Line 1 did not have cell service. For a
Line 2.
Alrighty, we're doing this! Andiamo!
First train to the Franklin Square Station.
First train? No, I'm not doing that again.
I already did it, sorry.
Oh, there's some filmers who left behind to film the first
Somebody's got to do it. We thank them for their sacrifice.
The Franklin local.
I'm so happy that we're all able to converge on this today. Like
69. Miles and
79.
Miles in Transit is here. We got all the other rail fans here. Say hello. And we're entering the bridge.
We're going over the bridge. Whoa!
Nikki, you got like the best seat right now.
Jeremy.
It's dead. Wait, are you going to have a map for the suburbs though?
Oh my god.
I've asked and they're like, oh, we'll get to it.
Oh, cool.
Casey, this is
So we're just not
awesome.
going to have a map in part of us.
I never thought I'd be part of like a thing
I
like
asked,
this.
like, when are you guys gonna put stuff in regional rail trains? Because right now the regional rail still has the old map, and they're
This car is driving really slow, but we are beating
Is this a foamer pacing the train?
Oh, God.
No
way.
Way too much attention. There's no way. I don't see a camera. No, it's just one guy.
It's just someone who drove really slow and then decided not to drive slow.
Well, there's a Pennsylvania plate.
You can't forget the
So the reason the R is 108 is for more flexibility with
train stopping at Franklin Square.
Independence Visitor Center, and Chinatown. Franklin Square.
That my lair is somewhere in the subway. And if anybody thinks about reviving that ghost station, they can kiss my little vinyl butt, okay? We are not... okay, all right, Miss Clapton, you're done here. You are done here. Conference over, station's open. Thank you for coming, guys. Thank you for coming.